This machine is our company's latest improvement and optimization manual Lanyard heat press machine. Operation is simpler, greatly improving work efficiency. Newly upgraded Lanyard localizer, separate each lanyard. Polyester lanyard roll placement device. Lanyard moving device. Heat top and bottom. You can adjust pressure via the spiral pressure device. Adopting high-strength springs. Double lever pressure design, more labor-saving operation. Control panel, humanity design. Power switch. Bottom heating plate temperature switch. Top heating plate temperature switch. Set top plate temperature. Set top time. Set bottom plate temperature. Set bottom time. Top and bottom heating plates can be closed separately. Place sublimation paper. Insert the lanyard into the groove. Place one end of the lanyard onto the fixing device. Put the other end of the lanyard into the pressure roller. Tighten the pressure roller. Place the sublimation paper on top of the lanyard again. Start to do heat press. When reach time, machine will alarm. Remove the sublimation paper. Release the fixing device. Turning handle to pull the sublimated lanyard. Process is done. Clear effect and bright colors. Suitable for heat sublimation of webbing, lanyard, traction rope, elastic band, oscillation belt, shoulder strap, gift bands, shoelace etc.